for matek jumatika neno waki Lakwed TV jumatika following one ya meno ki YouTube channel pa Radio Patches ya in mane tika lupo waki Facebook page pa Radio Patches ya wachi mono for matek line chim tuoro ya amete mono item neno kon kui mi Omoro ne kina mida ki kabichel chewa yab line chim atirane
ana foyo
kidong bane pite motete wa won DP pe wa neno candidate do won tamuti ningo do ti twa ko pape mane
ne agonyo kada mer nya dege
kakare
yen ana tie deputy national chairman pa party ma kai gonyo keta Uganda gidor ko national deputy speaker donc an ma chela metene a charle mono pien an kwana mario inge kwana agriculture kwana public policy
kakare
kai romo ke dano machalo honorable Emmanuel Mala
alego ni mo ti kida ki
abichel ke da kamatiri
okay
bien lokane tio kama leng yin wachi ni wabino nyam rat lik ke be pachun Omoro, the good, the bad and the ugly. So honorable Emmanuel Dombo, you're most welcome to Gulu. I'm Opora Simon, the deputy national chairman of the Democratic Party. Our topic or theme was to be the good, the bad, and the ugly of this by-election. And I thought I should start in English so that you, as a communication specialist and head of department who has the ears of the president, the chairman of NRM, can also take this venue shopping opportunity and directly relay information. The first thing that you did, the consensus is wrong, because the national objective and directive principles of the state which guides our constitution under democratic principles dictates that every citizen has a right where they qualify to participate, vote or be voted. So to override Omoro NRM structures, to override and suppress other citizens whose rights to participate is guaranteed, and to hide under faith and selectively pick verses, I think it's a disservice. However, I say this, if you as NRM can do this, then let me ask, when you cited Honorable Jimmy Akena replacing his father, that is wrong. Because this is the first in its kind in northern Uganda. In Buganda under DP, yes. In Buganda under NRM, deceased, and in eastern Uganda, where a deceased MP is replaced by a daughter or a son, has happened. But in Acholi, this is a precedence you're setting.
No, but in Acholi, in the language has happened.
Tell me in Lango.
Honorable Monyo Jok, he was a member of parliament. He died, and he was
Karamoja.
And he was.
I'm saying in Acholi, it is a precedence.
Oh.
And let's accept that.
No,
because I have examples to give you which are critical.
Yes. One mic at a time, please.
Which are critical.
Nobody had died.
In Acholi, if you can do that and override your own laws and even the constitution of Uganda, that means you have leverage and you could have done better in many things. And this is what I want to cite. One, the national medals you award, our local people here who fought the war on your behalf when NRM was very unpopular, the RCs, Odun Samuel, who is your communication specialist, I think, the household heads is of an RC who was cut into pieces like butchered meat for standing and leading your patrols at night. That family has never gotten a medal. If indeed choosing families and rewarding them is important.
Odun who?
Odun Samuel of NRM is a foster parent to an RC who was cut, LC then RC chairman, who was cut into pieces like butchered meat. And that family is languishing, no help. Lawrence Kinyera Kapere, who was your UPM candidate for East Acholi, the family survives on selling land. The parents...
UPM candidate for Gulu East.
For Gulu East.
Here, where we are.
It was East Acholi then.
No. Gulu
East.
He contested with Tamale Madi and Lokelo.
Thank you for that correction. At the moment as we speak, and this was Museveni's personal friend, he's one of the initiators of the 1990-91 peace talks. The man died in 94.
Lawrence Kinyera
Kapere. And I personally participated in writing a letter to see Pation is the mother. Lawrence Kinyera Pation, popularly known as Kapere. And there's no any help you've given as a party to this household, where the son played even pool at national level to feed the mother and the orphans. They have sold 3/4 of their land here in Gulu. The mother lives in Emanyata. So if choosing a child of a deceased, this is cardinal for me. If choosing the children of the deceased is now the new norm, that whoever is befallen as a comrade, it is the family to go and earn and feed the family, then I accept. That is the only way NRM can reward their what? Their fallen comrades. Until recently, when Rod Lonyo was rewarded, his father, Lino Kuya, who was known as the greatest among the great Acholi from Nasa people. And on the burial day, Museveni's speech, our president's speech, that was read by our vice president, he singled him as a traitor who made other Acholis to be sacrificed and killed by Amin.